Hello, this is Monique of Monique Builds, and today I'm going to show you what I promised I was going to show you, and that is how to set up the desktop version of TikTok Live. So here is, I'm going to show you what it takes to get to the point of hitting that go live button. We're going to get it all set up for you and show you how I'm doing it. Here we go. And this is for non-gamers. Yeah, here we go. Alrighty. We're now going to go into the TikTok studio, click on that icon, and then we're waiting for the platform to populate the screen. Try again. Of course, this is what this Monique Builds is all about. It's not going to go perfect the first time, but here we go. It's popped up here on the screen. Getting ready to open. Okay, see the go live there? We're going to press that. You're not actually going live, but okay, now we're on the platform. And what I'm going to do is get rid of all of this here. Okay. So we now have a blank um, we now have a blank left-hand side of the screen that we can start from scratch. And we're going to keep it in studio view. And then we're going to do in here you have choices. And we're going to be doing full camera view. And then we're going to be choosing how we want our screen to look. In this particular instance, I'm going to put a title on the top there. I don't know if you've seen people do their TikTok lives and they have titles up top, and that's what I'm going to put on here. So I've already created a a title using ChatGPT and asked it to create a yellow and black title for me, and I'll do that right now. I'll get that. You're going to go in here and you're going to choose image. And we're going to add it. Select file. That's me. All right. And add our source. We're going to place that at the top here. We're going to open it up a little bit. Place it at the top for our live. Do a little bit. Okay. And then the next thing we're going to do, these add source is going to We're going to get our screen capture or window capture. The window capture is something that is different. So now that we're here for window capture, what we're going to do actually is on your desktop, you're going to choose, and I've already pre-chose this screen here on Google and had it ready for the video, but I'm going to refresh the screen. When I refresh the screen, it makes it available here as a choice for me to put on the screen here. So that's what we did, and it will show the screen that we're going to work with. And there's that. Okay, I don't know if you see this or not, but in order to work on the screen, you're going to have to go back and forth between your Google actual screen at the bottom. You're going to click on the icon on the bottom, and which is down here. See that? You're going to click that, go between these two icons here. So let's say you wanted to work on something on the screen for GPT. You're going to be typing something in here. Here's an example of how we are working on this virtual screen. And then if you go back here and click on, you'll see that this is here written on your screen here. So we're going to now get a mobile preview of what this looks like once we go live. And that's what it's going to look like. And you'll be able to see the people that are checking into your room right here. And you also see your screen here, so that you can do your work on here. Now, in this particular perspective, you actually are not going to be on the screen yourself. This is going to be a perspective in which you are on there on audio. So they'll only be able to hear you as you do your demo or your lesson. They're only going to be able to hear you, but you got your title up top, and you got your screen with your different tabs up in Google that you'll be able to click and go back and forth on. So the next way I'm going to show you, I'm going to click off of here for the preview. We're going to go back to your screen. The next one here that I'm going to show you is the dual screen. Now your dual screen actually has camera up at the top. And due to the fact that we're recording now, I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. I'm already here in the little circle on the side there. But usually I'm able to add the camera to it. And in this instance here that you're looking at, this is actually the webcam covering the hole on the front of my laptop here. So that's what you're seeing on the screen now. And now I'm going to go in and choose the actual webcam, see what happens. And since we're already using the webcam for this demonstration, it's not going to do it for me. But let's come out of here. We're going to usually add source. And what we'll usually have is a picture of yourself up here. And down here will be the picture of the actual screen with you on it. So there'll be a double screen with yourself on here, right here. and the computer work that you're going to be working on. And then you can just be seen on the screen while you're doing your work, just like now, except that it's going to be in the space on below. So those are the two vantage points that you can have before doing your live. And of course, we're going to go do our mobile preview before going live, and we can check it. Here we go. Perfect. So now we have our example of what it looks like to prepare yourself to go live. Two different vantage points. One with the title on the top, and the other just with the dual view with the website you're teaching from in a window and your face on the other. Of course, I cannot show it on here because I'm already in the little circle right here. So I can't get that to work for me. It's not supposed to work for me because it's already being used here for this purpose here, for my little face right here. But other than that, this would usually be my little face is usually will be right there talking to you. You should be able to see this underneath there. So that's it. Using TikTok Live Studio can be complicated sometimes, but having somebody like me to go uh, through the bushes and figure this out for you so you don't have to fight to get on here is really, really useful. So now all you need to do is click this pink button here and go live. You already have the ability to see what the screen looks like and move forward there. Once you go live, you will then, if you're instructing, you're going to go to your Google and teach your class, and whatever you're teaching, you'll have available to you on the screen here. So I hope this helped, and I came back as promised to show you how to go live on TikTok as a non-gamer. This is Monique of Monique Builds. It's been a pleasure talking with you today. We'll talk soon.